You can tell me nothing. You can imagine this beauty just for €6.05.
And you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I'm super excited. You guys can tell because I'm about to be doing a try on haul. You guys know I love doing try on haul. Yeah, I received some package from Asos, anyone you call it. I received a package from them this morning. I just finished doing an unboxing video, which I believe will be coming before this video. Please do check it out. And yeah, that's it. In case you're new here, my name is Theresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So guys, in this channel I basically do lifestyle, cooking, chit chats, try on all, fashion, everything. Yeah, a little bit of everything though. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. So guys, the first on my list is this sweater dress. Like, this dress is super gorgeous, and when it comes to winter, I love stuff like this. Just put it on with a boot, or maybe just with a knee-high boot. Like, you're good to go. You are good to go. Let me just show you guys the full outfit. This is super cute, guys. Beautiful. This is beautiful, and I like that it's not too long. You know, you can also decide to just style it with a belt, which is super gorgeous. You can also style it with a hat, which I think is cute. This is super cute. What do you guys think? Or this, beautiful. Meanwhile, these hats are not from Asos. Yeah, this one is for Primark, and this one is from H&M. Okay, so that's it. I think this one look more cool. So guys, this is the second one. Yeah, this is the second one. It's also, let me bring this down. So it's also a shirt dress, which is super cute. And this dress, guys, this dress was super affordable. I got it for $8.70. Meanwhile, the first one that I tried was €10 something. It's super cute, and I really like the color. And for the fact that I don't have anything that is this color apart from one of my shoe, I really don't have a cloth that is this color. So I just fell in love with it. Look at the back details. Look at the back details. It's super cute. This is the look with the bed, which is super cute. Yeah, don't mind my bed, guys, because this is one of my old beds. I just had to go and look for it because in the website, this was the kind of bed the model was using. She was using a very big belt with a dress. So I'm still wearing my knee-high boots from Asos. This is super cute. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Like Ashanti said, you can't do a try on haul without dancing. She's right. Guys, the number 3 is this crop top. Guys, I kind of took this crop top because it was super affordable, but the thing is that I'm loving it right now. I'm loving it. This crop top was €2.95, guys. The initial price was $9.99, which is €10. So it was on 70%. Just take a look at that. It's super cute. It's super cute. So guys, I'm pairing it with my mom jean, like the mom jean I just got. Yeah, it's so cute. Take a look at that. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me nothing. Oh my god, guys, I'm loving mom jeans a lot lately. I think this is my third pair, which I think is enough. Yeah, this is my third pair of mom jeans, and I love this one because of the big color. Is called big color, yeah, because of the big color or bicolor. I don't know, English people, correct me in the comment section. Guys, this is super cute. I just love them together. Okay, so these jeans cost 18.85, which I consider 19 euro. Yeah, I consider that 19 euro. What is 5 cents? What is 5 cents? So I got this glass. Okay, let's just turn into a baddie, like a baddie, you know. What were you saying? Were you telling me something? Look at that babe. Look at that babe. Okay, yeah, we got the scarf from Asos. Yeah, let's just go from basic into a baddie. Take a look at that, guys. Okay, I'm still leaving the paper because I don't know if I will be keeping the glass, but I think I will. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. I also got this shoe. Yeah, this shoe is really cute. Like, I don't have a, yeah, I used to have a white sneakers, but I really don't like it anymore. This is what the sneakers look like. It's so comfy though. It just goes well with my outfit. Super cute. Super cute. Just take a look at that. And these sneakers, guys, it cost 12.75 euros. It was on 60%, guys. Okay, when I say shop on Asos, I wasn't playing. So guys, I've been meaning to get a crop jacket, like a crop jacket. So I saw this one on Asos. I'm like, oh my god, it's really cute. Oh my gosh, this is cute. And I got it in size large because I just want it to be free. You like it, mama? Oh, Amoni says super beautiful. Yeah, Money is here with me. Oh my god, this is cute. Wow, I really love it. Look at that. It's super cute and it's giving me that American girl vibe, you know. What's up, niggy, what's up, niggy. My daughter is laughing at me. We have this rope here. If you want to make it tight, if you don't want it to be free, you can as well just make it tight, like tighten it up. You know what I mean? Just tighten it up. That's it. It's so cute. I think it's even more cute. We got this bag from Asos. Yeah, I think they kind of go together. What do you guys think? So guys, the next one is this blouse or top. Yeah, it's a crop top, but the problem is that it's too tight. Look how tight that is. Look at my hand. He's super cute. I might see if they have a bigger size. Yeah, this is size 38. I should have took maybe size 40 or 42. Maybe that would be better. Yeah, I'm going to take it back. You guys can see obviously it's too tight, and I don't like when clothes are too tight on my body. Imagine this beauty just for 6 euros 5 cents. Next item is this beauty. Let's take a look at that. It's super cute, and I love this detail at the front, like these two tearing, like it's super gorgeous. The color is beautiful. Next shoe is this one. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love with this shoe. I actually got this and the white one so that I'll make it short, but the way the thing is going, tell me how the thing goes. I think I might be keeping both of them because I just love the color, but I have to try this one first. I tried the other one first, it was perfect, so let's try this one. This is what our shoe is looking like. Yeah, it's so cute, guys, super cute, and it's really comfortable. This is size 40 though. The next one is this tight. Yeah, this is a dream wear, guys. Yeah, I also got this from Asos and it's super beautiful. Next shoe on my list is this baby right here. Guys, I got this shoe because of the price. This shoe is 60.85 cents. Imagine, it was on 70%. Yeah, $22.99 was the initial price. So let's go. So guys, this is what the shoe is looking like. It's super cute. I love the color, guys. I love the color. The color is beautiful and it's super comfy. It's comfy. So guys, let me just quickly show you this. Yeah, this joggers. It's a teen joggers jogger. Yeah, look how cute this is. It's so comfortable, guys. It's so comfy. Look at, don't mind this line though. It's my shaper that is making this line. So guys, yeah, this is the last outfit though. It's super cute, guys. When I saw this outfit, I kind of did try a lot because I didn't know it was going to fit me like this. But guys, I'm in love with it. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't have this color of clothes in any of my clothes. I don't think so. Yeah, it's a jumpsuit. It's a very cute, like this is a Sunday ready. Like you can wear this to a wedding, you can wear this to church. It's just super cute and super elegant. Yeah, and it was super affordable, guys. I bought this for just €11.05. Like everything I bought just fits perfectly apart from the top. Take a look at that. Super elegant. Super elegant. Yeah, I added this belt myself. Yeah, it did not come with a belt. Let me show you guys how it look like. This is how it look like. It's so beautiful, guys. It's super beautiful. Last thing on my list is this beauty. Yeah, I love the sandals. Like guys, I'm summer ready. You can tell me nothing. I'm ready for the summer. Look at that sandals. Super cute. And this sandals is not even up to €10. Yes, I'm not kidding. Tell me this is not a perfect outfit for the summer. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and please do subscribe. Join the family. It's fun here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.